Hi, and welcome to another week of Cooking Light's Taste Test. I'm Chris.
And I'm Jamie.
And this week we're going to be trying school lunch snacks.
Oh my God, I really hope there's a Lunchable.
We're going to be judging them because these are kid snacks on openability, taste, and of course nutrition.
But mostly taste.
So let's get going.
So Chris, what was your favorite lunch snack as a kid?
Oh, they were so unhealthy. It was the little Swiss rolls.
Stop.
It was. What was yours?
Oh gosh. I loved a good fruit by the foot because you would like hang it out of your mouth and then like like suck it back up with your friends. Like you have like lizard tongue. What do we have here?
Organic dairy-free yogurt. All right, so this is purple carrot, banana, and berry, quinoa milk, coconut cream, and pea protein. It's actually pretty good.
It's kind of
like a little
grainy.
gritty. It hits like a good fruity up front, but then like, yeah, the back end is a little grainy.
It's not bad. Purple carrots are the first ingredient. There's 100% of your daily vitamin C, which is kind of cool.
It's actually pretty nutritious. 1 gram of sat fat, 13 grams of carbs, no added sugar. That's a really big deal. So I would say on an openability scale, I'm gonna give this like a 4.
Well, I dropped it. Like I did one of these and like, you know, dropped it.
But you spilled nothing.
I spilled nothing. So I give it a 3.
On taste, I'm gonna give it like a 2.5.
I give this grainy smoothie a 2.
Oh, all right, it's a different one.
Apple multi-fruit squeezable fruit blend.
My little kid is gonna be excited.
Nope.
All right, we're gonna try
My
it.
inner little kid might be excited.
It's actually a little harder to open. Mmm.
It's weird to watch your boss eat out of a like a squeezy tube of a. It's definitely like puree. It's not a smoothie, it's not yogurt, it's like a applesauce texture.
So it's like really appley, but then it's also got just this like strawberry
Sweetness.
Yeah.
So there are 60 calories per pouch, 15 grams of carbs, a gram of fiber, 10 grams of sugars, and only 1 added gram of sugar.
I would say that this is a win. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 4.5 on taste.
I would give it a 5. I think it's really good. Oh my God, I love these. Well, I've never had this brand, but they're like
Wait, is this,
a crispy rice bar.
is it a crispy rice bar?
It is. You gotta do like the ASMR thing. You gotta go. How's that package opening going for you?
I'm not finding the package opening to be that easy. There's definitely more fibrous than I remember Rice Krispie treats being.
There's no these are quinoa puffs or like quinoa crisps. Another thing to think about is these little guys are really sticky. So if you want like little kids sticky hands touching you, like, I don't know, they're just sticky. You just touch your face with my crispy hands.
I feel sticky now. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 3.5.
I'll give it a 4.
Oh! Almond flour crackers, gluten-free from Simply Mills. You go ahead and see if you can open it. Wow, smart. Almond flour crackers. Here, cheers. Tink. That's pretty good. So there's only 140 milligrams of sodium, which is 6% of your DV, so that's not that bad. That salt, they're really making the most out of it. It's got 6 grams of fat, but only a half gram of sat fat. No added sugar, 2 grams of fiber, 14 grams of carbs. I would say this is a taste winner for me.
Out of all the snacks, you like this one the best?
So far.
I don't know, I love them. I'm curious if children would love them though, because they are kind of like oniony, garlicky, salty.
I'm gonna get these for my daughter. If she likes them, that's a win. If she doesn't like them, that's a win.
That's a win for you.
So I'm gonna give this a 5 on a scale of 1 to 5 in terms of taste. I'm gonna give it a 1 on a scale of openability because I needed your help.
I'll give it a 3 on openability since I was able to open it after a little bit of struggle. and a 4.5 on taste. I think it's really good, but the smoothie's still waiting for me. So these are our favorites from today.
Yep, so my favorite was the Simple Mills fine ground sea salt almond flour crackers.
And I liked the Simply Nature Kids apple multi-fruit squeezable fruit bun.
But I seriously, I wouldn't have a problem eating that either. That was
And I
really good.
wouldn't with that one either, but
Do you want to trade?
this isn't lunchtime, Chris.
I'll give you some of my crackers.
I mean, maybe, but like, how do you share this?
I don't know.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're on Facebook right now, like and comment with your favorite snack. If you have a favorite kid snack that you always steal from your kid's lunchbox, let us know what it is below.
And if you're on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and we'll alert you whenever we have a new video out. Thanks again for watching. Bye.
Bye.